7 list building opportunities you might be overlooking. Even smart marketers can often overlook list building opportunities for email marketing. Here are 7 suggestions you should be making the most of. Create a great free offer. These days, every website offers a free newsletter, so you need to go the extra mile if you wish to stand out from the crowd. A free ebook or e-course on a hot topic in your niche will help encourage people to join your list. If you have the ability, create a few videos also. Make the most of your blog or site. Make it easy to subscribe to your site. Email marketing services should offer a range of types of forms. The most common is the inline form, where you put the sign-up coupon on a landing page, commonly referred to as a squeeze page, and new subscribers register there. However, there are other kinds of forms that can be made site-wide, so visitors to your website can register from anywhere. The most familiar one is the pop-up, a small screen that appears in the middle of your page. There is also a light box that will darken the screen, apart from the sign-up form, until people are basically forced to fill out the form, or they have to click to close it. Make the most of your social media sites. You should have a full, detailed profile at each and every social platform you visit, whether it is Facebook, Google+, Tumblr, Twitter, or others. Link to your offer right in your profile, and also link to your offer in the content you publish. Use the tools that are available to you, such as being allowed to put a subscribe button on your Facebook page. Host webinars. An exciting live event online can drum up a lot of interest. Ask people to register in advance and to give their name and email address. Once they are on the list, get them excited to attend. Ask them to send in questions in advance of the event. Send them reminders of the time and date of the event. Having a live Q&A is always popular. After the event, follow up by inviting attendees to learn more, such as by signing up for a free e-course that gives them further information about the topic. Leverage your PowerPoint decks and videos. If you have any PowerPoint presentations on your computers that don't contain highly classified information, why not share them? Post them on slideshare.net and cross-promote the content at your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn now owns slideshare.net. In your slideshow description, link to your email marketing page. In your LinkedIn profile, also link to a squeeze page with the free item of broad appeal. Create great videos for YouTube and link to them in the video description. Form joint venture partnerships. With joint ventures, you would find someone who worked in your niche but was not a direct competitor. You mail one of their offers to your list and they would email one of your offers to their list. It is a great way to expand the reach in your niche because you already know that the people on the other person's list, that is to say your competitor's list, are interested in your offer. Press releases. Once you create your great free item, write a press release about it and link to your squeeze page.